32 count 4-wall intermediate level line dance with a tag restart on wall 6 after 8 and counts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the tag restart, and then we're going to go through and dance 7 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn God-given. Section 1, we're going to start on your left foot. We're going to point our right toe out to the right side, touch your right next to your left, point your right toe to the right side. We're now going to do a quarter turning sailor step. So you're going to cross your right behind your left. You're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping your left foot slightly forward and to the side to face 9 o'clock. Step your right foot to the right side. We're now going to do a 3/4 turning sailor step. So you're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, crossing your left behind your right. Make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side. And then make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 12 o'clock. We're now going to do a syncopated rocking chair. Rock forward with your right foot, recover back onto your left, rock back with your right foot, recover forward on your left. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your point, touch, point. So it's 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 8. Section 2, we're going to do 2 walks forward, right, left. We're now going to do a mambo half, so you're going to rock forward with your right foot, recover back onto your left, make a half turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 6 o'clock. We're now going to make a half turn over our right shoulder, stepping back with your left foot to face 12 o'clock. Make a half turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 6 o'clock. Step forward with your left, do a half pivot over your right shoulder, putting your weight onto your right foot to face 12 o'clock. Step forward with your left, and then you're going to hook your right foot back. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your 2 walks. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and. Section 3, we're going to do lunge steps forward into the diagonal. So you're going to do a big step into the right diagonal, touch your left next to your right, and you can clap your hands. Step your left foot forward into the left diagonal, touch your right next to your left, and clap your hands. We're now going to step back with our right. You're going to walk your left foot over your right, step back with your right, and then we're going to do a coaster cross, stepping your left foot back, step your right next to your left, and then cross your left over your right. We're going to end this section doing a quick step to the right side. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our hook back, so you're going to do your lunge step. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, you're going to place your left heel forward into the left diagonal. You're going to bump your hip left, right. We're now going to quickly step our left next to our right. You're going to cross your right over your left, step your left foot to the left side, cross your right behind your left, step your left foot to the left side. We're now going to cross rock our right over our left, recover onto your left foot, make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 3 o'clock. You're going to step forward with your left, and then you're going to stomp your right next to your left, keeping weight on your left foot. And that is the end of the dance. So let's try that with some counts. We just step to the side. You're going to do your heels. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left, starting with your point, touch, point. So it's point, touch, point, quarter, sailor, step, 3/4, sailor, step, rocking chair, walk, walk, rock, recover, half, 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 step, hook back, slide, touch, back, walk back, coaster, cross, side, heel, bump your hip, fall, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, recover, quarter, step, stomp, together. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your point, touch, point. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7, 8. And whole dance. Now, on those hips, I like to, as I'm placing my heel, I kind of like to push that hip back and do my 2 bumps so that I'm kind of remembering that I'm going forward first. So if that's something you want to do, you kind of add like a little bit of an extra hip bump in, and then you're sitting back over that right foot to go into that ball cross. So now let's talk about the tag restart. The tag restart is going to happen on wall 6 after 8 and counts. So let's dance the 8 and counts, and then we'll talk about the tag. Weight is on your left. We'll be facing 3 o'clock to start wall 6. You're going to do your point touch. So it's point, touch, point. Now it's your quarter, sailor, step, 3/4, sailor, step, rocking chair. Right here, you're going to add on a 4 count tag, doing a half walk around over our left shoulder. So we're turning over that left shoulder, you're gonna walk right, left, and then you'll be ready to start the dance over again. Point, touch, point. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. We're going to dance 7 walls of the dance so that you can practice the transition from that tag restart into the next wall. Weight is on your left. We're starting with our point, touch, point. So it's point, touch, point, quarter, sailor, step, 3/4, sailor, step, rocking chair, walk, walk, rock, recover, half, step, half pivot, step, look back, lunge, touch and clap, lunge, touch and clap, back, lock, back with your coaster, cross side, heel, bump your hip, ball, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, recover, quarter, step, stop together. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7, 8. Point, touch, point, quarter, sailor, step, 3/4, sailor, step, rocking chair, walk, walk, rock, recover, half, step, half pivot, step, look back, lunge and touch, back, walk, back, coaster, cross side, heel, bump your hip, ball, cross side, behind, side, cross, rock, recover, quarter, step, stomp together, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7, 8. Point, touch, point, quarter, sailor, step, 3/4, sailor, step, rocking chair, walk, walk, rock, recover, half, step, look back, lunge and touch, back, walk, back with your coaster, cross side, heel, bump your hip, ball, cross side, behind side, cross, rock, recover, quarter, step, stomp together. You're going to do the first 8 and counts and then do your tag. So it's 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, and now walk, 1, 2, 3, 4, restart, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn God-given. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.